Here is a numerical type question. Work through the numbers carefully. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the substrate. The compound is 2-bromo-3-methylbutane CH3-CH Br-CH CH3-CH3. The bromine is on C2 and C3 bears a methyl group. Moving on to the next step. Determine the mechanism. In ATOH, a polar protic solvent of moderate nucleophilicity, with a secondary substrate that can ionize, both SN1 and E1 pathways occur. The carbocation intermediate is a secondary carbocation at C2, but it can undergo a 1,2-hydride shift to form a more stable tertiary carbocation at C3. Moving on to the next step. Carbocation intermediates. Initial 2 degrees carbocation at C2 CH3-CH plus CH3-CH. After 1,2-hydride shift, tertiary carbocation at C3 CH3-CH2C plus CH3-CH. And for the final step. SN1 products, nucleophilic attack by ATOH acting as solvent nucleophile, then deprotonation. From 2 degrees carbocation at C2 CH3-CH OH CH3-CH. C2 is a stereocenter R and S enantiomers to stereoisomeric products. From 3 degrees carbocation at C3 CH3-CH2C OH CH3-CH. C3 with 2 methyl groups and ethyl plus OH. C3 has CH3, CH3, CH2CH3, OH. Actually C3 becomes CH3 to C, OH, CH2CH3. This carbon has 2 identical methyl groups, so it is not a stereocenter 1 product. SN1 products total 2 plus 1 equals 3. E1 products, elimination, loss of proton from adjacent carbon to carbocation. From 2 degrees carbocation at C2, remove H from C1 CH2 is equal to CH CH, CH3, but 1 Na, no stereoisomer, is equal to 1 product, remove H from C3 CH3, CH is equal to C, CH3, 2 methyl but 2 Na, is equal to 1 product, no Ez since same groups on 1 carbon. That gives 2 E1 products from 2 degrees carbocation. From 3 degrees carbocation at C3, remove H from C to CH3, CH is equal to C, CH3, 2 methyl but 2 Na, same as above, already counted, remove H from C4 CH3, CH2C, CH3 is equal to CH2, 2 methyl but 1 Na is equal to 1 new product. E1 products, but 1 Na, 1 plus 2 methyl but 2 Na, 1 plus 2 methyl but 1 Na, 1 is equal to 3 products. Total products is equal to SN1 products, 3, plus E1 products, 3 is equal to 6. Therefore, the correct answer is 6. Therefore, the correct answer is 6.